Hello, this is Robert, and in this video I would like to demonstrate how to create a menu-driven loop. A menu-driven loop allows the user to decide what your program will do based on the choices that you give them. You can use any data type that you want for your menu-driven loop. It's common to use letters or numbers. So I've chosen a char to control this loop, and here it is right here. It's called choice, and it's initialized to the space. Then I prompt the user to let them know what I would like them to do, and I give them two options. They can type S to say hello, or they can type Q to quit. And then after the prompt, I take input on choice right there, right above the loop. And then the loop condition says while choice is not equal to Q. So if they type a Q at the bottom of this loop, then that will stop the loop, and then the program will be terminated. Alright, if they type an S for their choice, then they get hello. If they type anything other than S or Q, then we get this output, which is wrong answer. So notice that we're taking input for choice right above the loop, and we're also taking input for choice right at the bottom of the while loop right there. So that allows them to make a new selection. So in addition to the input on choice right there, we also have these prompt statements again as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and run this and see what it does. It's just a very simple program, so we can either say hello or we can quit. So if I want to say hello, I type S. If I type anything else, I get wrong answer. And then if I type Q, then the program will quit. Notice right here that I'm only checking for lowercase q. If I would like to quit if they type a lowercase q and an uppercase q, there are two ways to handle that. The first way is just to check for both lowercase and uppercase, and so I can put an and right there, and choice not equal to uppercase q. So that's one way to handle both lower and uppercase. The other way to handle this situation is to convert any letter that they type to either uppercase or lowercase, and I can use two upper or two lower to handle that. So what I can do for that is use let's go ahead and use two lower. So choice equals two lower choice. And two lower is part of the CC type library. So I'm going to come up here and I'm going to add that to my libraries up here. So pound include CC type. And now I have access to two lower. If I wanted to convert to uppercase, I would say two upper, and then I would have to check for uppercase Q, like that. So let's go ahead and change this back to lower. And now if they type an uppercase Q, it will be converted to a lowercase q, and then this will be evaluated to false or whatever. If they type something that doesn't have a lowercase version, like a $, then there will be no change to the char. Similarly, if they type a lowercase letter such as S, then there will be no change as well because it's already lowercase. Okay, so two lower will convert an uppercase letter to a lowercase letter. Okay, so I put two lower right there. I also take input for choice in one other spot, so I'm going to convert choice right there as well. So let's run this and see if it works. Okay, so if I say S, say hello, I get a hello. Now if I type Q, lowercase, or an uppercase Q, it should both, they should both quit the program. Uppercase Q is the one that would be converted to lowercase, so let's go with uppercase. And you can see that even though I typed uppercase Q, it was converted to lowercase, and so this became false, and when it did, we jumped down to the statement following the loop. Okay, thanks.